mo!
Ang bagal kasi mag-una.
Anong package mo? Nakakari na natin yung joke! Okay po ba?
BPO yung ginagawa. Oh. One, two, three, ayun pang tahin ng gabi. Ayun pang tahin ng gabi. Nakita mo yung kita dyan, bebe. Yan, tanda. Smile.
Tapos na kami. Naligo na lang.
Inaway. Pero mo ako. Akit pa kasi.
Alexa! Naligo!
Sabrina. Sabrina kami. Dina. Picture ka dito. Dyan sa may door. Ganda yung door. Sige, abulo na. Yaka, gano'n ka dyan. Tayo ka dyan. Isa pa. One, two. Wow! to na noon pa. May picture tayo sa
Parang restaurant. Ay, oo. Mabigat eh.
Ina! Picture tayo.
Diyan, may umano pa niya si President eh.
Ay, sabi niya, hi, dito ako. Starbucks President. Malpag. Inalam mo. Sabi na ka. Dito ka, baby. Donut. Dito ka. Ayun na. Picture kayo dyan. Ayan, ayan pala. Antik din. Ina! Ina! Basman, basman! Ina! Picture na. Sabay. One, sabay.
Ayaw ng Roblox.
Picture tayo. Picture daw talaga. Asa na sila? Hey. Tina, tingin tayo. Hindi siya kumita.
Send mo lang yun. Ikaw talaga.
Ay, ang ganda nito.
Look, ang ganda.
Tingnan mo, saan? Saan? Ayaw na. Diyan lang yun. Go. Picture kita na baby kung takay sa. Doon o, kita kita dyan. Tina! 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 Tina!
Yun!
naman eh.
Sige na, sige yung kilo kasi na.
Dito, tingin dito.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Eh, mga malalaki.
Hindi na, no. Ito yung TV noon, no. Kaya yung TV namin noon, bebe. Hindi na po, hindi namin TV. Yan, TV. Doon ba, sa gilid, sa gilid. Ayun na, iyo, bebe.
Sige, kay mami naman niya. Ano?
Ay, mag-picture. Bebe, madun. Picture ko ka doon. Parang dyan. Tayo ka doon. Hawak ka lang. Yan. Gano'n ka pose. Hawak ka doon sa curtain. Gano'n. Hawak. Hindi, wag mo. Yan. Tingin ka doon. Doon, nalingan na, bebe. Bebe, ano yung ganun po yun?
Ano yung ano ko?
Tinalo ko, ayun no. Ito oh. Bebe, ito oh. Kuha po. Inaw po. May baka tumba ka. Sige, umay ka. Kaya ka. Ganun talaga yan. Hindi yan. Sige ka tumba. Sige ka tumba. Sige, higa. Yan. Smile ka lang. Smile. Ganyan talaga. Yung ba't natumba to? Ganyan ba? Same name na teacher niya. Di ba, Christine? Bakit may question?
Oo nga.
Sabi ko, where's Tita Crystal?
Picture kita dyan, bebe. Question mark. Nag-iisip siya. Question mark. Ah. Oh, stand up lang ako. Oh, stand up.
Kunti na lang yung
Doon kayo doon.
Huwag din, like, sira yung ano.
Ay, wag dito ko pala, wag. Yung sahig, baka mahulog sila.
Picture na lang kita dyan, bebe. Ito. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Isa pa. 1, 2. Hindi ka na, bebe. Ayan, may CR ba? Ayan, may galing. Bye! Kasi nagbibili. Dito, bebe, oh. Haba ng dining. Halika dito. Bebe, may toys, oh. Dito. Sa kitchen. yan yung lutuan namin nung mga bata. Oh, picture ka, picture. Picture kami na, baby. Picture ka muna, picture. Isa lang ba, isa lang? Oh, dito kami na. 1, 2, 3 ka rito. Tina, gano'n. Yan mo, baby, oh. Tina!
Ito po, small lutuan. Lipat. Hindi ka na ha?
Ah, picture kayo dyan. Picture, picture, picture. Baka mabasag, baka mabasag. Tina, Tina. Tina, smile. Smile kayo, smile. Tina.
This is the most beautiful art of
Punta ka sa likod. Sa likod ka.
Marcel, sakay, sunod-sunod. Sophia. Sabrina. Sunod-sunod.
Dito ka sa girl. Sa girl ka.
Sabrina, look here.
Next,
Next. Sabrina. Next. That's for boys. Oh, next. Oh, you went.
Boy.
Yan, ganda.
Nakakabahan ako. At all. Oo. Ay, ito yung church. Dina, picture kayo dyan, no? Dina, dito muna. Dito kayo, dito. Diyan kayo. Dito kayo, dito sa... Hindi, picture kayo, picture. Sa lab. Oh, picture kayo dyan. Oh, picture kayo dyan, baby. Parang wala. Tayo, mamay. Okay na. Asa ko pa? Nangalag eh. Ayaw niyo. Bakit ka? 1, 2, 3. Ayaw daw eh, sabi ni Yuen eh. Doon ka, baby, picture kita sa ano. Tina. Ayan, okay ka to. Ay, picture kita. O, isa pa, Tina. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Tayo, wala.
Ayaw mo, puro na yung mga pagkain na tayo din.
Niwanan ko yung stand. Ay, ang ganda. Grabe inukit. Tina, picture ko kayo dyan, no? Ganda. Picture ko kayo. Picture. Ano yung classmates mo pa kayo? Ah, Tina. Ah, Tina. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Saan ang mga classmates mo? Grabe, ang cutie.
Ay, ma'am, nauna lang po kayo.
Yes, kulang muna na yung...
Di ba po?
Tina! Lamig. Dito, picture kita, baby. Yan. Ganun mo yung Clark. Ay, ang ganda. Sabrina. Tina, dito ka, bebe. Tina, ang hirap nila picturean, no? Wow. Mga nanay yun.
Wait, mommy, picture me to the king. Me too. Me too.
Sama ka na doon, baby. Sapa.
Oh, isa pa, Sabrina.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Sapa.
Okay, this is getting
Hawak
too
mo
long.
din, hawak.
I want to hold it.
Yan, hawak mo lang ganyan.
Gusto ko yung gumulo sa tagulo.
Ganun. Ha?
Scary. Do you want to hold it, please? Me too, I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
Ganyan lang. Sige. nyo, tapos huwag kayong tatlo.
Hey, Sabrina, you can touch it. Let's go get
Do not touch that daw naman. Grabe. Bang. Sa puso. Ginagawa niya, di ba? Oo, ito.
Pero ito yung mga ano, Tina, mga bang yan. Tina, picture kita.
I want to hold on to him, Sandra.
You went tumingin.
You will.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so big. It's a freaking no way. Come on. Okay.
Ito, Rilo.
Oh, it's real, guys. This is real.
Iwan ko na lang kung hindi pa nila makapatay yung target nila.
Pwede na.
Do not touch daw. Please look, but do not touch.
I want a picture.
Hands off. Bigyan niyo po rin yung ang mga idea ko ganito yung mga dati. Hindi ba yun nangyari?
It's over there. It's over there. I want to see what the boy has. Stop! 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 Ah, this is our house. I want Clark Air Force Base. Clark Air Base Hospital.
Malalaman na eh.
Just keep it on pressing it.
Ay, yung barn.
Ito.
Kundi na. Kaya mo, Yuen! Nahuli ka na!
Ay, si Sentra. Ito eh. Alam mo yung nalis yan eh.
Hi, Sandra. Magbibigay ka naman na ano.
Bakit sa loob?
Yung may sa loob ka. Dito
Sa loob.
Sa loob.
Nalaglag ka na.
Saya ko ah.
Lumipad na kayo.
Kanino umiiyak ka?
Ayaw pa na mo si Iyo.
Ayaw niya naman siya. Tina! Tina! Dito ka, bebe! Picture ang kita. Go, go! Don't you win! Go para matami kayo. Walang isa.
Not yet. I think she needs some warm-up. Warm-up. And how about a massage, the flipper massage? Yeah, the flipper massage. Tracy, are you ready now? If aso, ay yung aso talaga. Tulog pero wala. Design ka parang pag...
Sir, what are you doing? I told you have to do it sea lion style, so your hands should be on the floor. Alright, ready ka natin?
Ay,
Okay, now, turn! And where's the wiggle, sir? Wiggle! Now that's for round 2. Officer Ian. Masyadong magaling yung volunteer natin. You can make it a little bit harder. Just a bit. Alright, now sir, for this round, all you have to do is take the water just like that, and you come back here on the neck. Right, sir? Officer Tito Kaya, do we have an easy option? Okay, just an easy one. Alright, sir, here's your option. All you have to do is lie down and roll over. So what option would you choose, sir? The first one or the second one? Second na lang the officer Ian. So all you have to do, sir, is lie down. Okay? And you roll over. Wow, masyado magaling kayo volunteer.
I want everyone way back to say hi. Alright, now, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish. Are they? They are animals, just like you and me. But how can you tell? First, let's take a look at their tails. See, a fish holds its tail side to side, right? Guys, can you show us how they do it? Yeah, you see that? And that's how fish would move. They move their tail side to side. But it's really different for dolphins. See, their tail flukes, the powers that through the water, well, they move up and down, not side to side like a fish. Hey guys, can you show us how your tails really work? Yes, just like that. It goes up and down and not side to side. Now we all know that dolphins breathe air, right? How do they do it? They use the what?
Ang shark sobrang lalim.
The global air. Yeah, no girls. Again, remember.
Hindi yun pumupunta sa ibabaw kasi natatakot. Takot yun sa tao.
Everyone, listen.
Kumakain talaga yun yung tao.
Ayun ang baby, oh, listen, oh, may sound.
Yeah, you see those holes?
Yung hole niya, nakita mo yung hole niya? Yung hole dito, ayun o, yung sa head niya. Yun yung sounds niya. Dito
And you know that also makes them excellent divers. They can dive as deep as 1,000 feet.
Ang
wheel,
mas malaki dyan?
8 to 10 minutes.
Yun sinasabi niya, ina-explain niya nga, may hole daw sa head.
And you know, they also use the blowhole to talk, using a variety of clicks, squeaks, squawks, and whistles. Now, everyone,
Yun ang head niya, may
listen again.
yung sounds niya. Para siyang
There you go. There's always something to see, right? Alright, now let's talk about their fins. Now, do you see the fins on their backs? Yes? Alright, now those are called dorsal fins. Now, can you say dorsal? Very good. And they use those fins to stabilize themselves in the water. Now, if we look at the fins on their sides, it's now that Enzo going to give us a closer look. So those are called pectoral fins. Right there, those two fins right there. And they use them to steer themselves through the water. Alright, now let's have our dolphins put those fins into action with some of their natural behaviors. So first, what do you think dolphins do when they want to see or move over long distances? Well, check this out, guys. They jump high in the air, just like that. Let's do it one more time.
Kuya!